Slumgulligan. It's like what hobos eat.
That's a thing.
Wait, what? It's like hobo. A hobo eats Slumgulligan. I don't know. It's like
What is Slumgulligan though? What?
like-
Yeah. What do you? Is
like,
that like slop? Is it pig slop?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like when you make like
I'm
stew,
Googling
but
this.
it's
I don't
like
think this is
stew
real.
Full of everything. Look it up.
This
Look
is
it
a
up.
Connecticut thing.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
You alright?
What happened?
This
Oh,
fucking
no.
cinematic camera just drove me off a cliff. What the fuck? I am appalled. Where's the prison, Austin?
Is there a prison?
I thought it was on like I think it's like right next to us, right? Isn't it the
Oh yeah, it's like
island to the
Alcatraz. I
south?
see it.
Yeah.
Sasiki Penitentiary.
Oh, let's do
It's
it.
a long swim. How do we get there?
Boat?
Oh, let's go find a boat.
Here comes Austin with this
boys.
romantic ride for two.
Dibs.
Hold on. I'm gonna put your body in the carriage.
We're gonna weekend in birdies this video.
Well, we're gonna go on an adventure.
Goodbye, my boys.
We'll let you know how we'll let you know how our maiden voyage goes.
Oh wait, there is a boat. Like, see over there. on
There's
the
a big boat. Okay, let's at least try and get to that.
left? Yeah.
That's a big old barge.
Yeah, man. We gotta be able to drive that.
And off we go.
What the shit? Oh, the horse popped up. All right, well.
Wait, did the horse fucking die?
Yes! That horse is a quitter. I think you need 2 horses, Austin. You need 2.
I need 2.
Yeah, because that's when you get unlimited stamina.
Okay.
This is the one that'll work.
Dude, I believe.
All right, well, this will be our launching point, like right here.
Okay. Oh, gotta slam on these brakes. Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Came in a little hot. All right.
All right, dude,
Oh,
RJ,
really?
come join
Really?
me.
You're not gonna come up here with me? What am I? Are you fucking Uber driver?
Fuck no, you're my chauffeur.
Let's
I'm
go,
riding
Turk.
luxury. All right, we'll wait for RJ so me and him can have tea back here or something. You gonna get in or are you gonna awkwardly
There was no
stare at me?
prompt.
You look like you just weren't sure if you wanted to ride with a black man.
What the fuck are you doing up there?
And so Cirque du Soleil was invented.
Oh, we're out of sync. Damn it.
All right. So ready for this?
Yeah, I wish I could see.
Okay.
If we
Oh,
die,
dude.
I'm not gonna see it coming.
We're gonna like run right into this boat too.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna
It's
be
like
real
the
good.
Oregon Trail.
God fucking damn it!
What's happening?
Are
Ah,
we
I'm
even
out of
going
the.
to the right place?
Wait, it wasn't even deep enough to swim.
Horses are shit.
The fuck?
I give up. Fuck the prison.
I'm holding your hips. Hey.
Are you really? Oh, y'all look fucking cute, man.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Austin's got his blazer wide open, showing off that sweet 6-pack. Yo, Turk, how those nuts hanging? Hanging good? Yeah, they're hanging good.
Hell yeah, dog. It's warm outside.
It does have like
Ow.
that warm, humid look, doesn't it?
It does.
just
It looks
looks
sticky
like a
outside.
fuck.
Yeah. Oh shit! My thumb slipped on my joystick.
Your horse just turned to jelly.
I didn't go around the pole. I went up the pole. Hello, gang. Oh, this is classy. This is a classy joint.
Yeah, get out.
Barkeep, I will have 1 whiskey. Wait, did they just give me the whole fucking bottle?
Give me beer.
No, I'll take the whiskey too.
Yeah, they just gave you the fucking bottle of whiskey, dude. These
I like this
fuckers
place.
don't play around.
I'm gonna stand over by the light so I can actually see me.
Dude, in the light, you are so much fucking worse, man. Holy
What are you
shit.
talking, dude? I think I look like Richard Pryor, but like blonde.
You look like a blonde Richard Pryor, but like post multiple sclerosis.
Oh, that was good. Oh Jesus. Come on, come on. That's not party in the USA.
Oh shit.
I can't lasso the pianist.
I'm legitimately spending about $25. No! No!
Oh, you got the liquor in your hand still.
No! I just want a drink!
That's enough out of you. We're cutting you off.
One more whiskey, please. Oh my god, dude, I'm so fucking drunk.
Really?
Alright, I'm on the way out, I think.
I think. Come on out, buddy. We have further adventures to go on, or something.
Who's ready for an adventure? I am. Let's go. Let me get on your horse.
You're not. Yeah, you're not driving my horse. Are
Oh,
you?
get on the horse.
Yeah, hop on the back, buddy.
I'm
We
gonna
let's
get
take
on.
you to a.
No,
Let's take you to a safe gutter for you to rest
I'm
up.
got to try. It's not gonna let me on with the beer.
Yo,
Oh,
And I'm not
God.
sure if it's worth it.
Those drunk driving laws are ahead of their time. I don't know.
I
try
can't.
a- try a
Ow!
different
Damn it!
way.
Ah,
Here.
all right.
Oh, god damn it! The stink.
Oh, free horse.
Son of a bitch. No, don't you dare.
Get on. Come on. Get on.
you're too
Can it
drunk
not
to
let
get
me
on a horse.
drink
Come
and
on,
drive?
buddy.
Fuck off. No.
Come on, we're gonna take you home.
No.
We're gonna take you home.
No.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, I threw you over the back of the
Oh,
boat.
all right. This is where I'm staying. Nighty night.
Oh man, that was good. That was good. Hey RJ, do you want to play chicken?
Sure.
All right. Don't be a bitch.
Okay, ready?
Give us a countdown.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Horse.
Winnie, 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 winnie. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Use a horse reviver to heal your horse, or it will die.
Dude, you flipped once you flew off your horse, you were like a boomerang, just like whirling about. You were like a fidget spinner.
Alas, my
one.
goal in life has been complete.
Why did I think this was Austin? Oh, that is Austin.
That's why.
You look like a homeless man, like actually.
And you don't?
I didn't realize. At least I have hair. Jesus.
I love that. I love that Riles looks like Black Skrillex if he had a great beard.
I'll take it.
I was trying to exonerate my name. I'm only 90% sure I used that word correctly.
What word is this?
Nah.
I'm pretty sure you used it right. Yo, fucking train! Train's in the back!
Go get it!
I'm on the train.
Get on it!
Holy shit!
It's a fucking freight car. I'm on the freight car.
This is exciting.
I just realized I'm standing here. I'm like, it's a train.
I'm on the way.
Oh,
I'm
shit,
here.
I just jumped off. Right? This is a train, right?
Yeah,
it
I
not?
mean, it is a train, but I don't know if this is one that moves.
Oh, it's not.
God.
Are you fucking?
Oh my
It's just
god.
a couple of freight cars. I thought it was a train. What the
RJ.
fuck? Clearly. I'm done.
This.
This fucking thing!
What do you expect to pull it?
I just saw the one car and got really excited. Oh, no.
What the fuck, RJ?
Fucking.
I'm sorry.
This is a fucking train yard! Why the fuck would. Okay.
The train tracks end. It is very obviously out of commission.
You're trying to shoot his head off?
Yeah. Oh! Well, I did it.
It worked!
Hey, you do look like Obi-Wan.
Hey, yeah! Got the scars and everything.
Bam.
Uh,
Oh my
and
god.
now I have your hat.
On
Nice
the
transfer.
road again.
Wish I remembered the button and I would have joined you.
It's X, man.
You have to target them. Left trigger, right? Oh,
That didn't work.
Of course you killed him. We have to put his body on your horse now.
my horse is critically injured.
Turn,
Turn.
no! No!
Oh no.
You want me
Turn.
to put him down? I can put him down.
I
You have
can
a horse
heal
rider?
him.
I can put him down. It's really no effort. It's really no
Oh, you
trouble
just
at all.
Kicked him out of the way. Looks like you're about to shoot him.
Why do I have 2 bodies now?
Because you keep dying.
Oh, hang on. There's a horse over there. We can go get you one.
We can steal that carriage. And
Oh,
you
or
can
you
drive us
whistle.
around.
Look, I mean, we would give you a ride, but like we're kind of max capacity here.
Yeah, our RJ carcass collection is growing.
Yeah.
There's a gator around here somewhere.
Fight a fucking gator.
Be careful.
Ah! I saw this gator! Oh shit! Ah!
Oh my god!
I found the gator!
He fucking picked you up, dude.
I did not see the gator!
Why did you just stand on him?
I didn't. I thought he was a rock.